Employees submit a formal income tax declaration to their employers at the beginning of each tax year. Log in to your ESS portal and navigate to Salary and IT Declaration. Please note that as per the new budget update for the tax year 2026-2027, if an employee does not declare the IT declaration, then the new tax regime will be applicable by default. Now, click here to start. The IT declaration window is open. You can now update your declaration in the relevant sections. For example, click on Add to Declaration to update your declarations under Section 123. Enter the required details and click Save to apply the changes. Follow the same procedure to update other declarations under Chapter 8, House Rent Allowance, Section 11, Health Insurance, Section 126, and Income or Loss from House Property, Section 22, as applicable. Then click on Next to continue. On this page, you can compare your exemption component-wise based on the old and new regimes. Click on the Next button to continue. greytHR also provides a quick note and comparison for you to select the best tax regime based on your investment declarations. You are now in the final stage of submitting your income tax declaration for the financial year. Choose your tax regime from the drop-down. Acknowledge your declaration and click here to submit. Finally, click on Confirm. Post-submission, before the admin takes action, you can always click on the Withdraw and Revise button to make changes. Read and agree to the terms and conditions and click on Revise. You will be redirected to the declaration page. Now, click on the Edit button in the respective section and update the changes. If you want to resubmit your declaration anytime later, you can click here to go back. Please note your IT declaration is not yet submitted. You can revise your submission while the window is open. Click on the Edit button to continue with your submission. Update the section if required, and then click on the Next button to resubmit your declaration. On this page, once again, compare your exemption component-wise based on the old and new regimes. Click on the Next button to continue. You are now in the final stage of submitting your income tax declaration for the tax year. Select your tax regime from the drop-down. Acknowledge your declaration and click here to submit. Finally, click on Confirm. Your investment declaration is now resubmitted for approval. With that, we come to the end of this video. I hope you will now be able to complete your investment declaration process on greytHR in an accurate and hassle-free manner.